Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hi. Good evening. I'm fine, thanks. So today we will just go through the commit. We will do this Git part, okay?
Mhm.
And then
Okay,
we will cover
Is that GitLab?
Git. Not. It is normal Git. Git and GitLab is nothing different. GitLab is an enterprise version, okay?
Ah,
So
okay.
I will cover Git, and in GitLab I will just give you that I will GitLab is an this that I will take in the evening session. So today I will do this Git and the doc.
Okay.
Okay, my screen is visible.
Yes, it's visible. Yes.
So I will just give you a brief outline. And whenever we are working on Git, okay. So we have initialized the Git, okay. We have to check the status of Git, and then we can just add files. So Git always works in your working directory, and from working directory we move to the stage area. And
Okay.
for moving to any file from working directory to stage area, we use git add.
Yes.
Okay. And when we it is only moved to the added to the staging area, but it is not staged. It was if we use only git add, it will be only in unstaged position.
Okay.
So it cannot be committed. So when we are committing any code to a Git, so we work in the working directory, we add into stage, and then when we commit, we have to bring it into the stage position. To bring it into the stage position, we use git commit.
Okay.
So git init is to initialize the Git. That is, initialize Git means initialize your local repository.
Okay.
So it is initializing your local repository. And when we do git add, it goes into this. So if I say git init, okay, will initialize my local repository. So it is saying initialize empty git repository in C user my project .git. .git create a folder which is your local repository.
Okay.
So if I say git, because there is no, let me create one file. Okay. Test. Okay. Now if I say git status, I have initialized and I have created one file. So it is saying on branch master, no commits yet because I have not committed anything. It is saying untracked file because this file is in my working directory. It is not in my staged area.
Okay.
Okay. So if I say git add test. So now if I say git status, you will see it will say unstaged. Okay. So if you see here, it is saying no commits, git add. That is, there is nothing added to the commit, but untracked file present in a working directory. Check it out in your working directory. Yes, there is a one file. Earlier it was an empty directory. Local directory is a copy of working directory. Local repository. When we say git init there, so it is one. So it's check it out that yes, it is an empty. Now when I say git status, I have added one file. I do git status. So it has seen that there is one file present in git local working directory, but it is not in a staging area. So that's why it is saying nothing added to commit, but untracked files are present. Okay, so sometimes what happens, a developer is creating the codes, different files, and they just forget to add it into a staging area. So using git status, they can know it out that what file is left out. It will give a list of files which are not being added into staging area.
Okay.
And when when I have added, I have used add command. Okay, so it is say on branch, no commits yet, changes to be committed. It is an unstaged. One new file test, but it is an unstaged. It is added to the staging area, but it is not committed.
Okay.
Because before pushing into the Git repository, that is on remote repository, we have to we will have all the file in stage status. So how it comes in the stage status? By using git commit.
Okay.
If you use git add, then it will not be unstaged, it is unstaged. So if I say git commit minus m and then first commit, my comments. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now after this, if I say git status, so it says nothing to commit, everything is there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
1 minute, I will open my now what I'm saying, I'm going to my this and I'm just creating a new repository. I will say git practice. Okay.
Okay.
I will make it private, let it okay.
Okay.
Or git command practice, which is there. So I say create repository. Now that it is my private repository, so nobody can see it.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise, if it is a public, then it will be there. So what I will do, to add files, create a new file. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's not create at this time. We can push it from our local. Okay. What we will do, we will push it from our local.
Okay.
Okay. Have you practiced that the Git exercise? Did you get a
Yeah.
chance to?
Yeah, I
Okay.
tried. Yes, I tried a little bit, no, but not all of them. But I will this coming.
Yeah.
I'm not
It's
working now. I'll practice it a lot.
okay. So now I will connect to the remote repository. Okay. So
Okay.
what I will say, git add
And it
remote origin. We give a name. So because when we are, why we write this here origin? Because every time, otherwise there is two options. When you are working with a remote repository for pull and push, what you will do, either you write the complete URL.
okay.
Okay. So what I will do now, I will give one name. I will give a name origin, or let me say, I will give git connect. Okay. Any name, git add remote connect. So whenever I was using push or pull command, I will
Mm-hmm.
use this name. This connect is a name I am giving to the URL. After connect, after the name, what I will give? I will give the URL. URL means this.
Okay.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
what I will do, copy, I have copied this and then control C. Let me write it. I don't know why it is not coming. HTTPS github.com github.com git practice.git. Okay.
Okay.
Why it's not saying it's not path remote? Path did not match any file. Let's do this. Why it's not me? Because on that day we have done it to create the remote git admin. It's working. If you use this command on your, please check if it is working on you.
On my Git.
Yeah. Git add remote. Git add remote.
Why it's not coming up? Let's see. It's not coming up. I don't know why.
Yeah, if you use this.
Git and
I come to know what the error and I'm writing a wrong command. I have to say git remote add. Okay.
Okay.
What I was giving git add. Git add is used to add a file. So when if I say remote did not match any file, that's why I got confused. So
Okay.
I tried it out. So git remote add. Then the name I have given origin. Then I have given the path.
Okay.
Okay, so what is it's given? So once we connect to the remote, so we can verify by using git remote minus v. The reason why we are getting this federal paths back, we have git, we are using git add. Git add is being used to add a file. Git remote is a command. So I just misplaced. It will be git remote, then add because we are adding remote file. My screen is visible now.
Yes,
Okay.
it's
So
visible.
the difference is this, that git add remote was a wrong command. So it is git remote add, because now git remote command is used to connect to the remote repository. So now
Okay.
if I will say now I have to push the command.
Okay.
Okay. If I will go to this, my repository, I thought I have created a private repository, therefore it is not coming. So I was just confused. Then I check the command. So I see, oh, I have written a wrong command.
Okay.
So where is my, so this git repository. Okay. So now if I will say here, git push, instead of writing a complete path, http github.com git practice.git, what I will use, git push origin.
Okay.
Okay, git push origin, and then I can, and I wanted to put it into a master of this file. Okay, I have not created any branch, so I will just say master. Okay, if I see, I will put this. So it has given one
Yeah.
done. Okay, if I refresh here, so here is a test.
Okay.
Okay, so in this way, the push command works.
Okay. That is the name of the URL.
Yeah, so origin, what I have given, origin, git push origin and master, because I have only master branch. I don't have any branch. I have only master here. Okay,
Okay.
there is no master. Yeah.
Okay. So what is
Okay.
the origin?
Origin is the name I have given. This is the
Oh,
name. We can give any name. We can give connect. We can give any name. We can
okay.
give our name also. I can say git remote add Ranjana, and then I will give the path. So instead, because there will be two ways. What you can say, git push, and then you can give HTTPS.
Okay.
I will just show you. Okay. So the complete command, github.com slash
Okay.
then git practice dot git, and then I will say push, or I will say fetch. Okay.
Okay.
When I will say fetch, so it will fail to push submittance to let me only do push.
The fetch is to download, correct?
Yeah, fetch is to download. Pull or fetch and pull. These are two commands. I will just tell you. Let me say push only. Git practice. Okay, I will show you git remote. I will not give any name because I have given the name origin. That's why it's not taking. So I will just add my another this git remote add https github.com, and then I will say okay, and it is testing some.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Its name required a name.
Minus M means master, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it requires a name. So that's why the name it's required in remote command. So it is saying the path will be saying git
Mm.
remote add then any option fetch or tags master name and the URL. So it will be so this name is given. So instead I will have to write it out completely this push or fetch command. But I will
Okay.
say git I got it. I got it. Now why it's not going? 1 minute. Git push. Then I have not written here master. Okay.
Okay.
Git push. Then I have given the command, and then when I say master, now it will do.
Okay.
When I was telling what I just come to know what the mistake I have done.
Okay.
Okay. So
The
instead of
same as
giving it,
the git.
yeah,
Git.
everything is up to date
Okay.
because
So now
we have not.
we did not put a name for the.
Yeah. So there is a two-way to use git push or git pull. Either
Okay.
we will give git push and then the URL each time,
Okay.
or we can say this git push origin master. So origin because when we have used this remote git remote add, okay, we
Mhm.
have used git remote add, then we have given name origin. So this name will be linked to this complete path.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So when we do so when we use git, we have two ways to either we can give git push, then the URL, and if it is a master, if a branch, then branch and the name of the branch. Or otherwise, we can just use this command,
Okay.
a simple command, git push origin master. Because when we connecting to the remote, we have
Mm.
given a name. Now we can use that name instead of writing the complete URL. We write
Okay.
the name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now git clone. We will make a clone of the file remote. Okay. Then URL. https git remote origin. Because we have added with a name. So let's see if in clone. Okay. So it's not, we cannot use here, we can use origin word only with push, pull or fetch.
Okay.
We will not use because we have added a remote, but we cannot use it as a clone. With the clone, it always required. So I will say git clone remote, then https github.com, then git practice dot git.
Maybe origin instead of remote.
No. Git clone. Sorry, I have used remote. I have not to use a remote word.
Oh, so now.
Yes,
Mm.
it will be only git clone, then the po URL.
Okay. So now you are cloning the repository.
Yeah, local repository, or I will use root clone origin because I was using that. No, it will not. Oh, with the name we cannot clone.
Okay.
So git clone is to make a copy of it, clone or download.
Only
Okay.
locally.
Yeah, I will say ls git practice. Now, if I will do one thing, I will add here a new file. Create a new file. Okay. Will say practice. Practice. Commit new. Okay, so now again, if I clone it out, or what I say, git
Clone origin.
full origin. Okay, I make this when I will say git full origin.
Mm-hmm. Git.
Give me 1 minute because
Okay.
I'm just coming in 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, now if I will say
Yeah, but look, it gave us some message. You
you
are
asked to pull from the remote origin but did not specify a branch. Okay, I have not given master. I have to give either the branch master or whatever. So it's remote 3 delta we use delta use and pattern pretty done. Okay, so one file change, one insertion.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I just write down. So we have to mention whether it is a master branch or it is from master branch, or if we have I will show you after creating a branch also. So
Okay.
it say this. Okay. So now if I say ls, now practice file is also here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. So now we have done git add command, git push, git pull, and
Git clone.
git clone. Now let's say
So what is the difference between the pull and the clone?
clone means pull and push means that clone in the beginning we make a complete copy, whatever it is there. Now suppose what happens? We have added some file, we have push it. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
when we have push it and then there one file is added.
Okay.
Okay, so when one file is added there, and then again, what's the use of, because we have all those files which are present in a clone, and now first we have done clone. As we in this case, we have what we have created. We have pushed one file into a repo, a remote repository.
Okay.
We have pushed test file in that. What the test file we have created in our local repository, and then we have pushed it out. After that, we have cloned it. Okay. Now, when we have cloned it, then it has only one git in git practice. It has only one file, that is test. Now we have added a practice file there. Now, because our local repository is having that git practice and test,
Okay.
when we have cloned. Now again, when we are using clone and why we are completely update when we use clone, and it will make a copy of it again.
Okay.
because what it will do, it will again copy into a Git practice and this. Now what happened when we clone it out, it create this one folder Git practice. Okay, I will show you in my project. .git is when we initialize the Git. This .git folder which was created is on initializing a Git. When we clone, then we have this Git practice folder.
Okay. Then we have all. So we bring
Yeah.
master.
Yeah, yeah. So now after this, because whenever we need something, it is in a local repository, so it is clone. Now, if I again, let's do one again, the clone time and see the changes. Git clone. Okay. Because Git practice already exists, so it
Okay.
will not clone again.
Okay.
So that is why we use Git
Okay.
clone for the first time for creating a copy of that repository, and
Mhm.
after that we can only just use pull push.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the reason why we cannot each and every time we use Git clone, because it is already existing. It will there is no option in overwriting. It will not ask to whether we have to overwrite or do that.
Okay.
We have not Git configure. Okay, so to be used as that who has done it, because at present it will not give any name. So we say Git configure global user dot name, because it takes the timestamp as well as the author also.
Okay. We don't put the email.
Hmm?
Email.id something.
No, it is what the mistake I'm doing. Oh, I have written Git configure. It is config, not configure.
Okay.
Small mistake. It will use config. That's why I was thinking why configure is not a git command. Okay. So when I say user email, because I have just put something secure, my laptop got crashed. So again it was there. So VirtualBox is not working. So I just again downloaded the this HashiCorp background as well as I have to download VirtualBox. I have to repair this. So give me 1 minute. I'm doing it so that we can use it out.
Okay.
Cancel not remove. I have to repair it. It's my Oracle web. No issues. Got deleted. So I will just remove it. Okay, I will do it later on. Yeah, I will do it. So it has been there. Now we have one command git log. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So git log is we use git log that what we have worked. So if we have not given this username password, so it will not log the username or something. So if one okay, so if I use git log git mm, git log, then okay. Okay. So this is how we will can that this is the head vision master, author is this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is user apply github.com Sunday April that created practice and first commit.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it is coming with the username. So what I have done, first I have committed, then I have created a username and a email ID first commit. So in this way, if we don't configure with the name, then it will not come.
Okay.
So there is there is a requirement for this to configure the names.
Okay.
Then let's see how to create a, we have seen push, pull and everything. Now let's see how to create a branch. Okay.
Okay.
So to create a branch, so I will say git branch feature. Okay. And I say git branch feature. Now if I say ls, that is no, git status, sorry. Status. Git branch feature is created here. So it's saying on branch master. Okay, under the master there is a one branch also. So now we are seeing git status on branch master untracked file. Use git add file to include in what will be committed. So git practice, under git practice there is no any branch. Okay, but in local it is finding this branch.
What's the name of the branch?
I have given the feature. I have created a git branch feature.
Feature. Okay.
Okay, so if I say, if I want to go to the branch, so I will say git check out feature. I will give the name of the branch. Okay, so when I will say this, switch to branch feature. Okay,
So now you branch.
now we are in branch.
Okay.
So if I say git status, it will give the branch feature. Earlier it was saying because when we are not in a branch. When we say git status, it says on branch and master that it is saying we have two branches. Now when I say git checkout feature, so it says and git status, so now it is in branch feature.
Okay.
And then this. Okay. So let's say I will create a file here that welcome. Okay. And then I say vi welcome. Enter. Welcome to. Now if I say git status, so it says there is two things to be committed. Untracked files are there. So I say git add welcome. Now git status, I will say git add git practice. Now I say git status. So it is saying new git practice test and the welcome. These are the two things which have come in the feature. We have the same because when we create a feature, then we have the feature is when we create a branch must be having the files of the, then only we can merge to the master. No? When we do git merge and doing to the master. So that's why now both are in unstate.
You see, okay.
Okay, so there is one more command. When we say git add, okay, git add, I have given the name. If I have 2 or 3 files, I have not to make this command 2 or 3 times. We have git add, then this dot. It will add all the files in one go.
Oh, in one, okay.
Yeah, because what I have done, if you see, I have used this git add welcome, okay? Then I use git add git practice.
Yeah.
So I have used 2 times. So instead of using 2 times, because I was finding there are 2 files which is to be added.
Okay.
Okay, I will just show you again. So 2 files to be added. So if I have used it git add and then this dot, then it has been added all the files. I will just show you how.
Okay.
That touch hello and that practice command. I have created these 2 files. Okay, I will say vi hello.
Hello.
Okay, so I say hello here, stay WQ. If I say vi practice command, okay. Now I say git status. Okay, so it is saying on stage we have git practice as and welcome, and in this here we have git practice command. Okay, what happens? It has the difference. So we have these 3 files. So if I say git add
dot, okay.
Now if I say, yeah, if I say git status, now all the files have come.
Oh, okay.
I will say git commit minus I am then files added, or I can say new files added. So it has in feature Now we have git status. On branch feature, nothing to commit means everything is there.
Okay.
We have a clean working directory. Okay.
Okay.
So now what I say, git push origin feature. Now it will create a feature branch there.
Okay.
Now I want all this in feature branch.
So the one from you're pushing from the origin to all.
I'm pushing from local repository to my repo repository. All these things I've done in my local repository.
Okay.
Now I want to update my remote repository. So when I will say this, it's going to feature less than a minute ago. So now if you see in master, we have these two files, but if we go to feature, we have all the files, what we have.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
There is, so in this way, this branch comes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this is now there is some scenario when the developer is working on coding and he has created some files, but in between some issue comes. Now because some work is also left, he has not to commit each time. So he can save his comment. He can save it all his work. So we have one git command stash.
Okay.
Git stash. So whatever is there, okay, we have not committed. Whatever is there is saved changes in the working directory.
Okay.
So it will save the changes in our working directory. Once we have worked on what the incident have come, that is on priority. We have worked on this. He has made the changes. He has committed those changes, and then again he want to come back to his working directory. So he will use that stash command.
Okay.
Okay. So let us do that. So what I am doing, I am creating one more directory. Make dir practice. Okay. In feature ones we are working. It has created, cannot create directory practice file. Oh, practice file is already there. So make dir file.
Maybe practice one.
Yeah, because our practice one. We can say. So now if I say ls, so in feature we have all these things. Okay. Okay. So now what we do is now I will create a file that I print. This file I have created.
Okay.
Okay. So if I say git add and then git status, so it is saying it is add one file unstaged there. Now I don't want to commit because I have to work on this print file again. I have made it into a stage thing, but I don't want to commit because I have put it in as from my working directory, I have put into the stage. Okay. So if I want that, so if I say, every time if I say git status, it will always says that this file is not in commit and this it is to be committed. I don't want, so what I say git status, it is saved there, but git status, not git status, git stash, okay, minus u. Why you are using mine? Because in this minus u will make the changes there and it's there, save working directory and index state work in progress, WIP. Feature, this is added. Okay, in feature, this is not commit. Now, if I say git status, okay, so it is saying nothing to commit. Though I have not committed, but it is saying nothing to commit because if I will not use the stash. What happens? It will see this commands every time when I will see git status. I am working on the feature branch again on for other things. Every time it will give. So it will not show me a clean directory. So to have a status of a clean directory, we use this stash command, git status. So it is saving in the working directory, work in progress is there.
Okay. How often does it save it? How often does it save the file?
Yeah, it will save till the time we will not commit. It will be there.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So if I say git stash list, so if we have more than one file or any file, so it will give that status work in progress. So it is status list. It is showing that there is something here. There is one more command, git dash show. So if we want to know that which files are there which is not committed, which is in a saved position. So what we will do, git stash show.
Okay.
So git stash show is showing us that yes, we have some files which are not committed.
Okay.
So I have worked on an incident. I have finished the incident, and I have come and checked in, posted in, pull it. I have done everyone. Now I come back to my this work again. So what I will do, I will write git stash show. So when I say
Okay.
git stash show, it will say one file, two insertion. So it's in this way we work with the git. Okay.
Okay.
So if I say git stash, one more command, git stash apply. So what it has come on again to us. So we have only one file, so it is giving one file, new file is to be committed. So git stash apply, it will give you that these are the files which are in unstage.
Okay.
We have to make it in stage. So for making into stage, we use git commit. So if I say git commit -m and then commit. So now it's coming. If I say git status, it's fine.
Nothing to comment. Okay.
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 So these are the commands which is to be done.
Okay.
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 One more git. I will just give you. Now, if you see, we have two options. Either from here, we can merge it from here. Now we have branch and feature. Okay, but
Okay.
feature is not merged with the branch. Feature have only this and branch, sorry, master is only having two files and branch is it. Now here we have also not have used the push command. Okay.
Okay.
So what we will use, git push.
Push it to the master.
No, we have created in feature,
Okay.
provision feature. This file tracks feature. So I will say good push feature. We are in feature branch now. We are not working in a master
Oh, okay.
branch.
Okay. Okay.
If you see here, we are working in a feature branch. We are not working on a master branch.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So if you see, we okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay. So that's
Okay. Good. So how do you merge if you want to merge them? If you want to get
yeah,
the branch and you want to merge all the files in the master.
yeah. Okay, okay. I just the merge command we have. I'm telling you the
Okay.
merge command. Yes.
Okay. You said you don't do the Kubernetes?
Pardon?
You said you don't do the Kubernetes?
No, no. I will do the Kubernetes also.
Okay, good, good.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I said that I will do, but after completing Docker, I will
Okay.
start with Chef and all those, and then the Kubernetes and master.
Excellent, excellent. That's good. Yeah, I'm happy now.
Okay. So if I say git merge feature. No, first I have to, I think, check git check in feature. I have to come to, when with checkout, we have gone to the feature.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it is only 1 minute.
Okay, so you check it. Okay.
No, I use only checkout only. I got confused. Master and checkout. 1 minute. If I want to git merge feature, it is also git merge feature is on git merge master. 1 minute. I was making. So I will say git checkout master. I will go to the master file.
Okay.
Oh, spelling mistake.
Yeah. See.
So now so if I say git merge so I have come to the master. I have merged to the git merge feature, the
Okay.
branch. Okay. So now if I say ls in master, it is having all those things. But
Okay.
here if I'll go into the master because I have not pushed this, but I have merged on my local repository. I have not
Okay.
pushed. So what is happening on your remote repository? Your master is having only 2 files, but
Okay.
here it is having all the files. So
Okay.
how we use the merge? So, to going to any branch and coming and moving to other branch, we use git checkout command and
Okay.
the name of the branch. So if I say git branch develop, okay. So I have created one more branch develop. Now I want to move it into this, so I say git checkout develop, okay. Switch to branch develop. Now we are in branch. I say touch file. I have created a file. Okay, I say vi file. I just write new file
Okay.
w3. Okay, now I say git checkout develop. Okay, git checkout develop. Sorry, git checkout master. I want to move to master.
Okay.
Now I say git merge. Now
Develop.
I want develop. Okay.
Okay.
I'm in master. So right, and I will say merge develop. Yes. Why it is not done? Because I have created a file, but I have not added or committed the file.
Oh, okay. So you have to check out to develop again.
Git check out develop.
Okay.
Again a mistake. I miss C. Okay, switch to branch develop. Now when it switch to branch develop, now it will give us yes.
Then you commit now.
I say git status. So I will found one file which
Okay.
is so I say git add. Okay, it's a then git commit an new file. Now if I say git check out master, okay. Now I say git merge develop.
You don't have to check in the develop first.
Yeah, whatever we have seen, because we are working on a working directory. We have to bring it into staging area and in a stage position.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, so whenever we are working in any branch, so we have added some files. So what we will do, we will have to first add the file, then commit the file, and then only we can be able to merge it out. Now you will
Oh.
see the changes here. If I say master ls, it is having git practice, this is all. Now, if I will see one thing, the difference here, we have feature as well as branch here. Okay. So now in here we have only master, because we have not and feature, no develop
Okay.
branch. Yeah, because we have not pushed it.
Push
If
to
I
the
say
repository.
git
Push.
origin, first we will push the develop, because we don't have a develop there. So what I will say?
Git.
Okay. So now if you go here, you have one develop.
Okay.
Develop.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will say git push origin, because if you see the master, if I go to the branch master, it is only having 2 files, because I have not pushed the master. I have pushed feature, develop everything. I have not pushed the master. Here in master, we are having all these files. So what is it? Push origin master.
Okay. I see. Very interesting. So now if you go to master.
Now you see all files are coming.
Oh, yes.
So we have merged it, we have got it, so everything is there.
So is there a way to break it? If you want to take just some files, you create a branch. And create a branch and move some files.
Yes, only after merging only to the develop branch, you can just.
Okay. Takes a lot of practice to know this.
Yes. I will give you this all the commands, what these commands are doing in a file, so that it will be handy to you.
Sounds good.
Okay, so this completed git. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.